right, sorry about that. I didn't pay close enough attention to my time and got cut off on this problem here, but we did discuss that this was 50%, but let me go back over that real quickly. So it says what percentage of data is above the median? So we have our median, and so we would have 25% and another 25%, which is our 50%. Number 15 is what is the interquartile range? So when we talked about that earlier, we talked about that would be your box. Okay, so you're finding the range of the box. So you're going to want your highest value. So that's going to be your upper quartile, quartile 3. Okay, so here if we look at that and follow that down, we know that's 22. We already named it earlier. 22 minus our lower quartile. And so our lower quartile is quartile 1, which we said was 18. So we have 22 minus 18, which would be 4. Okay. What is the upper extreme? So we know our extremes are here and here. Here's our upper extreme and our lower extreme. So our upper extreme we named earlier at 23 1/6. So our upper extreme is just another name for our maximum value. And our lower extreme is another name for our minimum value. So our minimum value we said was 17.